Mic check 1, 2, 3. Mic check 1, 2, 3. I can hardly see. Anyways, you know me realize something. I put on back my old muffler. I realize it's like the bike hard to go up, or it's harder to go up in block now third gear. One time you used to can lift third gear like nothing, brother. No, it's like me I feel I give the bike more power for the bike lift up in a third gear. Nah, I tell you no lie. With the other muffler, power wasn't a thing. With the other muffler, you see if me even lift it in a second gear, come like it just go right up. You see me? Right up. That's second, that's first. Okay. Third gear me there now. You see it? Third gear. I'm gonna try and lift it in third, and y'all will see. Let me get a little clearer up here, so. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. It's like me I feel ring it, dog. Is it? If it go up in a third, when before it took nothing. You hear me? Before it took nothing to go up, bro. So what I am actually trying to say, I think that the muffler that you have affects the power of the bike, or affects the performance of the bike. You see me? I really think that it's not even a think right now. It's I know. You see it? I know, because we did a run the other muffler, the short one, and the bike felt so powerful, the bike felt so jumpy. I know I put on back this muffler that I made basically, and the bike feels so less powerful, and I thought that having a longer muffler would actually make the bike feel more powerful, or make the bike have more power. But for some reason it's not the case. It's not the case, man. It's not the case, my guy. So what I really want to know is what you guys think, or what you guys know. Do you think having a oh my god, do you think having a shorter muffler will increase the performance of the bike? Because I've done my research and it kind of does. And even with gas, I think that the muffler that I had before, I think that I had better gas mileage with it. But I'm still kind of testing things out. But I think I had better gas mileage. I don't know why, but I know for a fact that the performance, there's a difference. There's a clear difference in terms of performance with this pipe versus the other pipe that I had. I mean, it still comes up in third, but it feel like me have to work a little bit harder if it go up. You see it? Second, no problem. No problem, but third is like me have to work a little bit harder. That's just my little 2 cents as it regards to muffler and performance. I just done a little bit of research and I see where the muffler does affect the performance of the bike. Now look at this, when I had the stop muffler on, I had a stop muffler on for like a day recently, and the bike feels so fast, yo. The bike I go up in a third, no problem. You see it? So I guess the difference between that and this is because of the opening, the mouth. This one has a big opening, so what that, yo, I'm not really want to get into the science everything still, but the big openings, what them that say, less back pressure or something like that. You see me? So it's like it doesn't allow for much compression to build up. Yeah, I didn't even know that. I get into the whole of that because I don't know, so I'm gonna just leave it right there, you know, and not go there. That's what I'm gonna do, man. But I'm not gonna lie, the mufflers do affect performance, for real, bro. I felt it, I saw it, and every time, man, for reals. Yo, the other day one police pull up side of me. One other biker police pull up side of me star. Actually, I pass him and then we stop and him pull up. And the dude was like, yo, what's up with your mirrors? Man say, yo, what happened to your mirror them? I was like, man, my mirrors just broke off. Honestly, yeah, my mirrors did break off, but they didn't just, you know. They didn't just break off, bro. Look at the newbies. No texting and riding, sir. No texting and riding.
I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 overwork, don't hate. My said just got me more. Shawty playing games for the one time. Smooth pass, but she ain't hit the goal line. So I got myself this queen. She got the same goal as mine. Better not waste my time. Why you wanna see what I got inside? Only things that'll get me to